we don't see anything in the data at the moment to suggest that we need to go to Plan B. We're sticking with Plan A, but what we certainly have got to recognise is there is a storm of infection out there in parts of Europe. You can see those numbers ticking up very sharply in some of our continental friends, and we've just got to recognise that there is always a risk that a blizzard could come from the east again as the months get colder. The best protection for our country is for everybody to go forward and get their booster. When you look at what's happening in the pandemic at the moment, just here in Newham, sadly there are people in ITU, in intensive care, who are suffering badly from COVID, but they're all the unvaccinated. And what's happening is that if you can get your booster, then your immunity goes right back up to 95%. So far, we've got 75% of everybody over 70 getting a booster. That's a huge number of people, but it's that further 25% that will make all the difference to the winter, to Christmas, to our plans going forward, because it's that extra level of protection that we really need. So the message is anybody over 70, come forward, get your booster. Anybody over 50, come forward and get your booster. And now, in the next week or so, anybody over 40 as well, come forward and get your booster.
Whilst vaccines have fundamentally changed the course of the pandemic in the UK, and the high uptake of the initial programme has saved countless lives and helped restore our freedoms in an unprecedented way, it is also clear that protection will wane over time, and that is after the first 2 doses of a primary course. And that's especially so in older adults and those with risk conditions. And that explains why we've already made the decisions we've made about the booster programme. But the waning signal, whilst smaller, is also beginning to show in the 40 to 49s. And without boosting, I would not expect it to be static. I would expect it to increase. So JCVI has again acted decisively and recommended that the booster programme is now extended to 40 to 49s.